Episode 5 Grocery Shopping. Slow and Clear English Podcast. Beginner A1A2.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Clear English.
Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we will talk about grocery shopping.
You will hear useful sentences for buying food at a supermarket.
We will talk about bread, eggs, apples, tomatoes, vegetables, prices, shopping lists, and paying.
This topic is very useful for daily life.
This episode is for beginner English learners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully, follow the conversation, and try to repeat useful sentences.
Let's begin. Jack, we need to go grocery shopping today.
Okay, what do we need to buy?
I made a shopping list.
Good. A shopping list is very important.
Yes, without a list, we forget things.
And we buy things we don't need.
Exactly.
What is on the list?
Let me check. We need bread, eggs, apples, tomatoes, rice, tea, potatoes, onions, carrots, and cucumbers.
That is a long list.
Yes, but most of these are basic foods.
Do we need coffee?
You always ask about coffee.
Because coffee is important.
We still have coffee at home.
Are you sure?
Yes, I checked this morning.
Okay, no coffee today.
Do we need milk?
I don't think so.
No, we don't need milk today.
Good. Where should we start?
Let's start with fruit and vegetables.
Good idea. They're near the entrance.
Here are the apples.
They look fresh.
Yes, do you prefer red apples or green apples?
I prefer red apples. They are sweeter.
I like green apples. They are fresh and a little sour.
Then let's buy both.
Good idea. How many apples should we buy?
Maybe 6 apples.
Okay, 3 red apples and 3 green apples.
Perfect.
Now we need bananas.
Bananas are not on the list.
I know, but bananas are good for breakfast.
That is true. I can eat a banana when I'm late.
Exactly. Let's buy 4 bananas.
Okay, 4 bananas.
Now tomatoes.
These tomatoes are very red.
Yes, but are they fresh?
Let me check. They are not too soft.
Good. How much are they?
The sign says $3 per kilo.
That is okay.
How many tomatoes do we need?
Maybe 1 kilo.
1 kilo of tomatoes? Done.
Now cucumbers.
These cucumbers look good.
Let's buy 3 cucumbers.
3 cucumbers. What about carrots?
Yes, we need carrots for soup.
Do you want to make soup tonight?
Maybe. Vegetable soup is easy and healthy.
I like soup, especially in the evening.
Me too. Let's buy carrots, potatoes, and onions.
How many potatoes?
Maybe 2 kilos.
2 kilos? That is heavy.
Yes, but we can use potatoes for many meals.
That is true. Potatoes are useful.
And onions.
I don't love onions.
I know, but onions make food taste better.
Okay, let's buy some onions.
Good. Now we have fruit and vegetables.
The basket is already heavy.
That is why we should use a cart.
You are right. Let's get a cart.
Good idea.
Now what is next?
Bread.
Fresh bread smells so good.
Yes, it does.
Should we buy 1 loaf or 2?
1 loaf is enough.
Are you sure? I eat a lot of bread.
I know, but we can buy fresh bread again tomorrow.
Good point. 1 loaf?
Now eggs.
How many eggs do we need?
Let's buy 10 eggs.
Should we check if they are broken?
Yes, always check the eggs.
Okay, this box looks fine.
Good, put it carefully in the cart.
Carefully. We don't want broken eggs.
Exactly.
What is next?
Rice.
There are many kinds of rice.
Yes, this one is cheaper.
Is it good?
I bought it before. It is good.
Then let's take it.
Okay, 1 bag of rice.
Do we need pasta?
Pasta is not on the list.
But pasta is useful.
That is true. We can buy 1 package.
Great, pasta is easy for dinner.
Yes, but only 1 package.
Okay, only one.
Now tea.
There are many kinds of tea here.
I want black tea.
Small package or big package?
Big package. We drink tea every day.
You drink tea every day?
Yes, especially me.
Okay, big package of black tea.
Thank you.
Can we buy chocolate?
Chocolate is not on the list.
I know, but maybe one small chocolate bar.
You ask this every time.
'Cause chocolate is important too.
Coffee and chocolate. These are always important for you.
Yes, they make life better.
Okay, 1 small chocolate bar,
Thank you.
but only one.
Only one, I promise.
Good.
Do we need water?
Yes, we should buy water.
A big bottle?
2 big bottles.
Okay, 2 big bottles of water.
Now the cart is really heavy.
Yes, we bought a lot.
Let's check the list again.
Okay, bread?
Yes.
Eggs?
Yes.
Apples?
Yes.
Tomatoes?
Yes.
Rice?
Yes.
Tea?
Yes.
Potatoes?
Yes.
Onions?
Yes.
Carrots?
Yes.
Cucumbers?
Yes.
Bananas?
Yes.
Pasta?
Yes, but that was not on the original list.
Still useful.
True.
Chocolate?
Also not on the original list.
But very useful.
Maybe useful for you.
Exactly.
Do we need anything else?
Maybe cheese?
Good idea. We can make cheese toast.
I like cheese toast.
Me too. Let's buy 1 small pack of cheese.
Okay, what kind of cheese?
This one looks good.
Is it expensive?
Let me see. It's a little expensive.
Maybe choose a cheaper one.
Good idea. This one is cheaper and looks fine.
Let's take it.
Now we are ready.
Should we go to the checkout?
Yes, but let's choose the short line.
This line is short.
Good, let's wait here.
Shopping takes time,
Yes, but it is easier with a list.
and easier with 2 people.
Exactly. One person reads the list and the other person pushes the cart.
I am the cart person.
Yes, and you are very good at it.
Thank you.
Now it is our turn.
Should I put the heavy things first?
Yes, put the water, rice, and potatoes first.
And the bread last?
Exactly. We don't want to crush the bread.
And the eggs?
Put the eggs carefully near the top.
Okay, heavy things first, soft things last.
Perfect.
How much is everything?
Let's see. The total is $42.
That is more than I expected.
Food is expensive now.
Yes, grocery shopping is not cheap.
but we bought many useful things.
That is true.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, I will pay by card.
I can carry the bags.
Thank you. Some bags are heavy.
The potatoes and water are very heavy.
Be careful.
I will.
When we get home, we should put everything away.
Yes. Vegetables in the fridge?
Some vegetables in the fridge, potatoes and onions in a cool place,
What about bread?
on the kitchen counter.
And chocolate?
You already know where the chocolate goes.
Near me?
No, in the cupboard.
Okay, in the cupboard.
Grocery shopping is a good English topic.
Yes, there are many useful words.
Fruit, vegetables, bread, eggs, rice, tea.
And useful questions.
Like how much is it?
And do we need this?
And can I pay by card?
These sentences are useful in real life.
Exactly, real-life English is important.
I agree.
Now let's review some useful sentences from today.
Repeat them slowly if you want.
We need to go grocery shopping.
What do we need to buy?
I made a shopping list.
How many apples should we buy?
Let's buy 6 apples.
How much are the tomatoes?
They are $3 per kilo.
Do we need bread?
1 loaf is enough.
Should we check the eggs?
Yes, always check the eggs.
Can I pay by card?
Heavy things first, soft things last.
Very good. Now answer a few simple questions.
Question 1, what do you need to buy?
You can say, I need to buy bread.
Or I need to buy eggs.
Question 2, do you have a shopping list?
You can say, yes, I do.
Or no, I don't.
Question 3, how many apples do you want?
You can say, I want 6 apples.
Question 4, can you pay by card?
You can say, yes, I can.
Or no, I can't.
Great job.
That's the end of today's grocery shopping conversation.
Today, we talked about buying food at a supermarket.
We practiced words like bread, eggs, apples, tomatoes, rice, tea, potatoes, onions, carrots, and cucumbers.
We also practiced useful sentences like, what do we need to buy? And can I pay by card?
Try to make your own shopping list in English.
Listen to this episode again.
Repeat the useful sentences many times.
Do not speak fast.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.